My video guide will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Pay. The purpose of this particular ransomware is to encrypt the files and then to demand from its victims to make a payment for the file restoration. And this is why the ransomware is called like that. Before the ransomware attacks the files, of course, you are able to open them without any complications. Regretfully, this is what happens after the ransomware attack. Because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people discover that they cannot use the files anymore. The ransomware says that all your files are encrypted and that to restore them you need to pay $50 worth in bitcoins. Well, at the first glance it looks that this is not that big amount of money, but on the other hand there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored even if you pay the ransom. So paying the ransom is strongly not recommended. You may simply lose your money for nothing. And now you can clearly see why exactly this ransomware is called like that. I mean Pay. Because whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Pay extension. Paying the ransom is strongly not recommended because you may simply lose your money and don't get any file recovery. What we recommend you to do is to immediately get rid of this ransomware, and we recommend you to use a special program for this purpose called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser and go to the page combocleaner.com. Use this official website related to Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then, after the site gets successfully uploaded, you need to download Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware Installer. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, and other more serious threats. So after you download the software, install it and start researching your system. The program will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is surely crucial for proper detection and elimination of this particular ransomware. The scanning itself might occupy some time, and this depends on how many threats are in your computer, and it also might depend on how many hard drives are connected to your Windows computer. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed. You will be able to know their exact location on the system, and we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to remove all these threats automatically and to have your files always protected in the future.